This Spanish vocabulary course targets the most common words you need for everyday conversation. You can use it by itself or alongside your current program of study, but most usefully it can be used alongside the Pro Spanish Levels 1 to 6 course. So, as this course is all about words, let's begin with the Spanish for word. In Spanish, word is palabra, palabra. Una palabra, una palabra. A word. Dos palabras, two words. So you try now. Una palabra. Yep, una palabra, una palabra. The word for day is día, día. And although it ends in the letter A, which would normally indicate it's going to be a feminine word, it's actually masculine. The day is masculine. Un día, un día, un día. So, a day, un día. Let's quickly do the opposite of day, night. Noche, noche, noche. And oddly enough, night is actually feminine. So we say una noche, una noche. A night, or the night, la noche. Noche. So day, día, is for boys, and night for girls. At least that's how I heard a Spanish man explain it once. So far we have una palabra, a word, un día, a day, and una noche, a night. The word for each is cada, cada, C-A-D-A, cada. And it can also be used to mean every. Cada, cada. So each is cada. So cada palabra, each word. Cada palabra, each word. How would you say each day or every day? Cada día, cada día. And what do you think each night or every night would be? Cada noche, cada noche. What do you think this sentence means? Cada día aprendo 3 palabras. Aprendo means I learn. So listen again. What does this mean? Cada día aprendo 3 palabras. Each day I learn 3 words. Cada día aprendo 3 palabras. Okay, let's move on. The word for a place is un sitio, which is where we get the word site from. Un sitio, site, a place, un sitio. Un sitio interesante, an interesting place. Un sitio bonito, a nice place. Un sitio histórico, an historic place. What do you think this means? Mi sitio favorito es Valencia. Or perhaps more specifically, mi sitio favorito en España es Valencia. What does that mean? Mi sitio favorito en España es Valencia. My favorite place in Spain is Valencia. How do you think you would say, my favorite place in Spain is Madrid? My favorite place in Spain is Madrid. Mi sitio favorito en España es Madrid. Mi sitio favorito en España es Madrid. How would you say each place? Cada sitio. Cada sitio. So perhaps it might be each place was interesting. Cada sitio era interesante. Okay, let's learn 2 words together now. We're going to learn how to say part, as in the part of something, part, and side, a side of something. So part and side, or a part and a side. Una parte, nice and easy. Una parte and un lado. Una parte, un lado. So a part, una parte, you can see that it's feminine. Una parte, a part, and un lado, a side. Una parte, un lado. How about each part? Cada parte. Cada parte. So you could say, cada parte es importante. Cada parte es importante. Each part is important. How would you say my favorite side? Mi lado favorito. Mi lado favorito. Perhaps more usefully, my favorite part. What would that be? My favorite part. Mi parte favorita. Mi parte favorita. And notice that because part, una parte, is a feminine word, we have to say favorita. It has to agree. So the favorite has to be the describing word, the adjective has to be feminine as well. So, mi parte favorita, my favorite part. So it could be mi parte favorita de la película, my favorite part of the film, mi parte favorita. So these are the words that we have learnt this lesson, and because of the way you've been taught them, they'll be quite easy to remember, but it's still advisable to briefly review them before going on to lesson 2. If you don't already have the main Pro-Spanish course, it's available on the Pro-Spanish site, that's prospanish.co.uk, and you'll find many other resources there too to get you speaking Spanish